हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग सी वेबसाइट जिसके बारे में मुझे हाल ही में पता चला। इसका कोई ऐप नहीं है एज़ फार एज़ आई नो। बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्राइजेज़ में आपको लिपस्टिक्स एंड नेल पेंट्स एंड फ्यू अदर कॉस्मेटिक्स मिल जाएंगे। अभी तक के मैंने जितने भी हॉल्स किए हैं उसमें दिस वन इज़ द चीपेस्ट वन दैट आई हैव फाउंड एंड आई एम यूजिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। आई एम नॉट श्योर, सो आपके सामने ही मैं अनबॉक्स करूँगी। अनबॉक्स एज इन आई हैव ओपन द बॉक्स बट मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स ओपन नहीं किए हैं। आप लोगों के सामने ही मैं प्रोडक्ट्स ओपन करने वाली हूँ। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच मोर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस वीडियो। गाइस, तो इस तरीके से ये कुछ पैक होकर आया है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस वन। इट्स नाइसली बबल रैप. So this is my first lipstick that I ordered. This is the first lipstick and this one is the Beauty People Kiss Proof Ultra Matte Lipstick and the shade that I have ordered is 116. So this is the shade 116 and I am going to apply and show you how exactly it looks. वो कैसा लगता है, कितने coats लगते हैं and everything. So I am just going to apply this and this is just to tell you this shade I am trying it for the first time. I have not ever applied this particular shade, so I am not sure कि वो मेरे face पे कैसे लगने वाला है. So I am just going to apply it in front of you.
Oh my god, this is such a nice lipstick, guys.
ये इसके एक ही कोट में देखिए, हाउ नाइस, व्हाट नाइस कलर, व्हाट नेचुरल कलर. एंड I'm going to leave the price of this one, how much I have paid, and let me tell you the lipsticks are under 200, I think under 150. So I will just leave what is the exact price of this particular lipstick. Then I am going to now apply the second shade. So I'll just quickly remove this and I'll get back to you. I am back, guys. I've just removed my lipstick and this is the second one. That was a liquid lipstick that I had ordered, and so I'm just going to quickly open it up. So just give me a minute. Okay, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is again the Beauty People lipstick, and the shade that I have ordered is number that I have ordered is 408, and again it's this color. Just look at this color, what beautiful color is this. So again I'm going to apply this in front of you and then you can just have a look कि वो कैसा दिखता है exactly. So yeah, just a minute.
The smell, I really love the smell.
So there you go. This is my second shade. Not bad at all. I think according to the price, guys, I think this lipstick is absolutely perfect, absolutely amazing, and the quantity is not less. So I'm really happy. And just look at this color. Right, so I'll just quickly remove this lipstick and I'll just get back. Okay guys, so let's open our third lipstick. This is the one, so I'm going to quickly open it and just give me a minute.
I'm very bad at quickly opening the products, it takes me a lot of time.
So yes, this is the one, again same, but this is in the shade of 507 and this is a red color. So this is how it looks. This is a red color lipstick and I'm quickly gonna apply it and show it to you how exactly it looks.
usually you apply a lip liner first, but then I'm not applying because बहुत सारे shades थे तो मैं every time I could not apply a lip liner.
बट एनी विच वेज मेरे फ्रेंड्स बोलते हैं कि मुझे लिपस्टिक लगानी बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू अप्लाई लिपस्टिक. कहीं ना कहीं डेफिनेटली कुछ ना कुछ छूट जाता है मेरी लिपस्टिक लगाते से. मैंने एवरी टाइम मेरे को मेरी फ्रेंड्स टोकते हैं कि यहाँ से छूटा है, वहाँ से छूटा है. सो या जस्ट एन FYI कि I get a feedback that I don't know how to apply a lipstick. So I don't
know if you also feel the same. Do let me know in the comment section below and let me know कि मैं lipstick properly apply करती हूँ या नहीं करती हूँ, so that at least मुझे तसल्ली हो जाए कि मैं apply करती हूँ या नहीं करती हूँ. और अगर नहीं करती हूँ, अगर आप लोग का भी feedback ऐसे ही आता है कि मैं नहीं करती हूँ, तो definitely I will practice कि lipstick कैसे लगाई जाती है.
This is the third shade that I have applied. Just look at this. It's not that red. However, it's looking so nice. Just look at this. Right, so yeah, this is the one, and it's कोई भी sticky पन नहीं है, sticky नहीं है lipstick. It's absolutely very smooth. Now let's go to the next product that I have ordered. Let me just quickly remove this lipstick and I will just get back to you. मैंने completely तो नहीं निकाली lipstick. In fact, I wanted to put on the pink one because pink is my favorite color. So our next product is one nail paint that I ordered. So I'll quickly just open the bubble wrap. Okay, so this is the shade I have ordered. So this is how it looks, and I really like, if you can see, I have not applied in the rest of the one because मेरे file नहीं है nails, so I'm just putting it on one and I'm showing it to you. I just look at this one. So yeah, I like this color, and even this is actually I think this is for MRP is 99, but I'm not sure. I'll put the price somewhere on the screen, and this is in the shade of 362. all the products links जो है मैं description box में डाल दूँगी. मैं हर बार डालती हूँ तो इसके भी मैं डाल दूँगी. आप एक बार जाके ज़रूर चेकआउट कर लेना, and do wait for the name of the website till the end of the video. So there's one last product that I ordered, and this is this one. So I'll just quickly show it to you. So the one that I have ordered is this Beauty People strawberry nail paint remover. Not sure if you can see it properly. This is how it looks. So these were the products that I ordered. So now finally is the time that I reveal the name of this particular website. The name of this website is beautypeople.co.in. That's the name of the website, beautypeople.in. I will leave the website name in the description box. Do check it out. And from one of the social media platforms, I came across this particular website. So that is all for today, and if in case you have any comments that you would like to give, do that please in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions, do that as well in the comment section below. I would love to have your feedbacks. Please keep your feedbacks very humble. I will try to improve. If there is anything in the video that I can, I will definitely, and I will promise to get better by time. So yeah, that is all, and do give it a like, do subscribe, and do hit the bell icon. So till then, it's a bye from my end. Be safe and be kind to one another. Bye bye.